Merry Christmas, everyone. My name is Attorney Mandisa Styles, and I'm here today to share a business gem with you. In the spirit of the holidays and giving, I decided to start a series all about business tips here on social media. So, starting from our first video in the series and leading all the way up until today, I have been giving away free business tips, or gems, as I like to call them, to all of you. These gems build on each other, and each are essential to the success of your business and will allow you to establish a strong legal framework for your business. As always, I will break each gem down in a way that's easy to follow. In our first business gem, we discussed how registering your business with the Secretary of State is the first step to establishing protection and control over your business and also making your own rules. In our second gem, we discussed the importance of documenting those rules in an operating agreement. Our third business gem discussed the importance of a properly managed business bank account. And our fourth gem talked about the importance of trademark and copyright protection. These gems build on one another. So if you have missed any of the previous videos, be sure to go back and catch up so that all of these gems make sense. We live in a digital age, so your business likely has a website. And if it doesn't, you should probably consider getting one. It's 2020. An online presence for your business is important. And I'm not just talking about a social media presence. Social media is important, and it gives you an opportunity to connect and engage with your audience. But having a website allows you to access your audience regardless of what happens with these social media sites. If Instagram were to crash or your account got hacked, you need to have a website so that you can still engage with your audience and, more importantly, turn your audience into paying customers. Today, in our last gem in this holiday series, it's all about the legal considerations of your website. Specifically, the privacy policy and the terms of use that your website should have. Let's start with the privacy policy. If you have a website or are thinking about having one, your website is required by law to have a privacy policy, especially if you are collecting information of any sort. What kind of information am I talking about though? Literally any kind of identifying information like names, emails, phone numbers, or even if you're using Google Analytics or website cookies. Your website needs a privacy policy. It is required to have one by law. But what is a privacy policy? A privacy policy is a statement that tells your visitors how the information collected on your website will be handled. For example, how you'll use and how you'll store their information. Some states like California have stricter privacy considerations, so you want to make sure that your privacy policy complies with the legal requirements of the states that your audience lives. Now, let's talk about the terms of use, also known as terms and conditions. Terms of use are a legal agreement between the business and the visitors of the website that the visitors agree to in order to use the website. Why is it important for your business? Now, though terms of use are not required by law, it is highly recommended because of the added protection that it offers. Terms of use can prevent visitors to your website from abusing your website, like posting spam comments or harassment. And terms of use also lay out who owns the content on the website and can assert ownership of any copyrights or trademarks found on the website. And as discussed in our business gem number 4, you now know the importance of a copyright and trademark and how those things are essential for your business. The terms of use is also where the business can put disclaimers about liability, and it establishes the governing law. Essentially, it allows more protection and control over your website and any issues that may arise. That's our final gem in this holiday series. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Leave me a comment down below, or you can send me a personal message and we can keep the conversation going that way. I have thoroughly enjoyed doing this series, and I hope that it has been helpful to you and your business. Happy holidays, and we'll chat soon.